Hi, cookmate! Compliment of the season in advance. I know Christmas is still 3 weeks away, but the festive spirit is already in the air. I just want to send you warm wishes wherever you are. Today, I'm making something light, quick, and delicious rice noodles recipe. It's that kind of meal you just want to whip up when you want something tasty without spending too much time in the kitchen. While the rice noodles is getting soft, I'll start prepping the chicken. I got this chicken breast from Spa, and I decided to check maybe it has soaked enough and to set it aside. Now back to the chicken. So I'll start by adding my chili flakes, curry, thyme, corn starch, and I'll also be adding dark soy sauce. Combine it very well and let it sit for a while before frying it. Before I started frying the chicken, I let it marinate for a while. During that period, I've checked on the rice noodles and I've drained it in a sieve. So here I'm just gonna fry this chicken breast till golden brown. I added sausage. I let it fry before taking it out. You can get chicken drumstick or chicken thigh instead of chicken breast, because I wish I used chicken thigh or turkey or chicken laps. Here I added my pepper mix. Basically I used habanero pepper and I sauteed the onions. I allowed both to fry very well. Can you see those colors? Before I added the bell pepper, the three colors, and the carrots. I let the colors and flavor comes alive before adding my rice noodles. I added dark soy sauce. I added light soy sauce. Also added oyster sauce and sesame oil. I just want those flavors to come alive and stir it properly together. Let it combine with the veggies. At this point, you don't want your rice noodles to get burnt. Just combine everything together on a low heat. And in the next 2 to 3 minutes, and our rice noodles is done. Now we're going to add the chicken breast and the sausage that was set aside earlier. Combine it very well. Afterwards, I'm going to garnish it with spring onions and we're done. Look at those colors. I personally enjoy this meal. Trust me, you're gonna enjoy it if you follow this step by step. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for me. If you get to this point, I love you. Bye.